In today's video, we're going to dive into a comparison of Kayako versus Jira Service Management to figure out which is truly the best help desk software for your business. Both of these tools are popular in the industry, but which one delivers the best experience and value? Stick around until the end, because I'll also reveal an even better alternative, which could change the way you think about help desk solutions. Let's kick it off with Kayako. One of its standout features is its multi-channel support. Kayako allows you to manage tickets from email, live chat, social media, and even phone calls all in one place. This is great for businesses that want to streamline their communication channels and avoid the hassle of juggling different platforms. But while Kayako's multi-channel support is impressive, its interface can feel a bit clunky, especially for new users. It's not always the easiest to navigate, and that can slow down your team's response times. Next thing to consider is customization. Kayako does allow some customization, but it's not as flexible as some users might expect. For instance, you can tailor your support tickets, but the overall design options are a bit limited. Customization is essential for businesses that want to give their customers a branded experience, so this could be a downside for those seeking more control over their platform's look and feel. Now, let's move on to Jira Service Management. If you're familiar with Atlassian tools, you might already know that Jira excels in integrating with other software. This makes Jira a fantastic choice if your business is already using tools like Confluence, Trello, or Bitbucket. The integrations are seamless, and it gives you the ability to automate a lot of tasks, which can be a real time saver for your support team. However, Jira Service Management isn't perfect. The learning curve is definitely steep, and for smaller teams, it could be overwhelming. Setting up workflows and custom configurations can take time, and it might require some expertise to get the most out of it. Plus, the user interface is less intuitive compared to Kayako, which might lead to some confusion, especially if you're not familiar with Jira's ecosystem. Moving on to customer support and knowledge-based functionality, Kayako offers a robust knowledge base feature, allowing businesses to create a self-service portal for their customers. This is fantastic for reducing the number of tickets your support team has to handle. However, Kayako's knowledge base isn't as comprehensive or as easy to set up as Jira's. Jira provides a more in-depth knowledge management system, especially when you combine it with other Atlassian tools, but again, this requires some learning to master. Next, we need to address pricing. Kayako offers a more affordable entry point, which makes it a great choice for small to medium-sized businesses looking for a cost-effective solution. However, as you scale, you might find that Kayako's pricing plans can get a bit tricky, with additional costs for advanced features. Jira Service Management, on the other hand, offers a flexible pricing model that's scalable, but it can get pricey for businesses that don't need all of its advanced features. Finally, let's talk about integrations. Kayako has a fair number of integrations available, but Jira Service Management, as part of the Atlassian suite, takes the lead here. Its integrations with other Atlassian tools are unmatched, giving you a unified system for everything from software development to customer support. But again, these integrations might be overkill for smaller businesses that just need a straightforward help desk solution. So, after evaluating both Kayako and Jira Service Management, here's the bottom line. While Kayako is a solid option for businesses that prioritize multi-channel support and affordability, its limitations in customization and user interface might leave some teams frustrated. On the other hand, Jira Service Management is a powerhouse, especially if you're already embedded in the Atlassian ecosystem, but it can be overwhelming for smaller teams or businesses that don't need its complex features. But here's the thing, after trying all of these myself, I believe there's a better alternative. If you're looking for the best help desk solution for your business, one that's easy to use, cost-effective, and still powerful enough for larger teams, I highly recommend you check out the link in the description below. Through our exclusive offer, you'll get access to the best free trial, which you won't find anywhere else. So, while both Kayako and Jira Service Management are good in their own right, if you want a better solution that covers all the goals mentioned in this video, give this free trial a try. Trust me, it could be exactly what your business needs. Check the link below to learn more and grab your exclusive benefits today.